Hi beautiful, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going shopping. We are going to Ulta specifically because I want to see everything that is new at Ulta. I want to see if they have some holiday things out, and I want to take you with me. The reality of what's happening is I went to get a pedicure and the place I go to is closed for renovations, and since my mother-in-law is taking really good care of Evelyn and I'm already outside of the house, we are going shopping. I've done a few shop with me videos in the past and you guys seem to enjoy them, so let's go ahead and go shopping. I started the video lying to you because I was going to Ulta, but then here I am at Sephora at Kohl's. I'm here because I have a makeup emergency, okay? I am in desperate need of my Rare Beauty eyebrow gel. I've been scrubbing my tube for whatever little left there's in it, and I'm gonna check if they have it here, although I called 3 days ago and they didn't, but wish me luck. Okay, so the first thing as I was walking around that caught my eye was this from K18. It's called the Air Wash Dry Shampoo, and it says that it reduces oil and eliminates odor for up to 3 days. Also, it looks like it's a wet spray, so if it's a wet spray, then doesn't it stop being a dry shampoo? I'm so intrigued about this one. Definitely want to try it. Moving on to a couple of Olaplex holiday sets. This one has the number 7 oil, which is amazing, and then the Bond leave-in conditioner, which is also amazing. $40 for a $57 value, but then there's one that I like even better, which is this one here. This one is the shampoo with the conditioner, and then of course the number 3, which is their treatment that is so loved by everyone. $55, a $75 value. I absolutely love this set, and for everyone who loves Olaplex shampoo and conditioner, this is a fantastic deal. Moving on to Living Proof. I was in the hair section for a while. I love this from Living Proof as well. This is the perfect hair day dry shampoo. $42, it's $66 value. It's like you're getting 2 for the price of 1.5 or so. Then I wanted to show you guys this right here because this is not in a set, but this is the best shampoo and conditioner I have ever used. My hair never looked as good. Plus, I can make it between washing my hair so many more days than usual with this one because my hair would not get greasy. It is amazing. First Aid Beauty always has amazing sets for the holiday season. This one has a cleanser, a moisturizer, and peel pads, all of which is very gentle. $44, and they're all full sizes, which is amazing. And then this one here might just be even better. This is $49 and it's $114 value, so it's like more than 50% off, and you get full size everything. You get a lip balm, you get a face cleanser, the peel pads in the full size, and then of course the Ultra Repair Cream, which is a super gentle, very rich and hydrating moisturizer. You guys, I did not know this set existed. If you still don't own any Say Beauty blushes, I highly recommend that you get your hands on this one. It is 3 mini blushes. It has some of the best Say Beauty shades. You need it, okay? This is fantastic. Also, this I picked up just because I wanted to ask you about it. Do we need it? I don't have one of these in my purse. I just use regular good old hand sanitizers. I don't have one of these sprays. Do I need it? Let me know. This Sephora Favorites Holiday Must-Haves is pretty awesome. $52 and it's a $131 value. You get full-size Mario Blush, full-size Tower 28 spray, a bunch of mini sizes. I love the Olaplex number 7, like I told you before, and that Sol de Janeiro spray in there. Pretty amazing. I moved on to the Glow Recipe section next, and I wanted mainly to see what they had for the holidays. So up here you have the Watermelon Glow Icons box, which is a $91 value for $64. We have the Glow Recipe Serum Superstars. These are super cute. $48, $66 value, and you get mini sizes of all of their serums. And then the Fruit Babies, which is a bestsellers kit for $38. I had to show you guys this from Sol de Janeiro, not because it's a good deal or anything. I just thought it was the cutest little gift. You get a body wash, a body lotion, and one of their fragrance mist body spray situations, and it comes in the cutest package. I just loved it. Here's a tower full of little kits that I thought were cute for the holiday season, starting at the top with Rare Beauty. They have this mini blush and highlighter set right here with 3 different colors. I thought was really cute, plus it's also a really good value, $44 value, $35. Then you have the Find Comfort set, which has a body lotion and also a perfume from her. This is a $39 value for $30. And then last but certainly not least, we have this one here, which is Selena's Eye Essentials, and this one has mascara and eyeshadow. I gotta say, I really love the Rare Beauty mascara. Then Charlotte with her Pillow Talk as per usual, but you do get one of my favorite blushes in this kit, which is the Pillow Talk liquid blush. And then I saw one in the back that has 3 different Hollywood lipsticks that looks super cute. Now the best one when it comes to Charlotte Tilbury has to be the Airbrush Flawless Duo of the setting sprays. This is my favorite setting spray, and it's simply the perfect setting spray on the market. It doesn't dry you out and it makes your makeup last forever, so this is always recommended from me. After all that, the update on the eyebrow gel is that they did not have it still. It says it's in transit, so let's actually go to Ulta now. I did not lie this time. Here we are. So let's see what is new at Ulta and whatever gift sets they might have. I might actually be tempted by the Wicked collection. Let's see. First things first, we briefly talked about these Love Notes fragrances from Ariana Grande. Don't do it, okay? Don't do it. I smelled it. This straight up smells like alcohol. It is not worth it at all whatsoever. That's all I have to say about that. Also, remember how I said when I looked at the pretty poster outside that I might be tempted by the Wicked collection? No, not tempted in the slightest. The images look beautiful. I'm sure the movie is going to be fantastic. I actually want to go watch it, but the makeup that came out for this collection, not interested in it at all. And it's not just R.E.M. Beauty makeup, there's also other brands that did things for the Wicked collection. They did Wicked collabs. There's hair tools, there's nail polish. Here is what the Wicked eyeshadow palette looks like from R.E.M. Beauty. It's cute, but like kind of on the basic side. Also very bulky packaging, super heavy for no reason. There's some lipsticks, not colors that I am interested in at all whatsoever. More lip products, shiny things for the face. Again, not interested. This looked kind of cute. What was it? Eye patches. Still not interested. And then there was this other section here with like super dark green lipsticks, which I mean, I get it, but also not interested. Here is some OPI nail polishes that were also a collaboration with Wicked. This was kind of cute, okay? The IT Cosmetics at Ulta and Wicked blushes. I wish I could have seen the top of them, but they just have the pictures on the sides. That's the only thing that like maybe, but everything else is an absolute no from me. Also, I found this and found it extremely interesting because Ulta is doing like scent sample bags. They're trying to copy Sephora. This is what is happening here, but they're not doing it the way Sephora does it. The way Sephora does these is they give you a bunch of samples and you get to exchange a voucher that is inside the bag for a full size of your favorite of the samples that you tried, right? This is just a bunch of samples for like $40, and then they just give you a $15 gift card to spend on whatever you want at Ulta. It doesn't even have to be a fragrance, but it's only $15 and you're spending $40 on perfume samples. I was a little outraged. I had to ask like 3 different people at Ulta so that they explained to me how it worked, because they were a little confused about it. I was a little confused about it because I'm like, where is your voucher for the free fragrance? Because I just expected it to like actually be a valuable purchase. If you see this, stay away. Sephora sells fragrance sets that have a bunch of samples just like this, and then you get a voucher for a full-size fragrance in there, not a $15 gift card. What the heck? Apparently I've been living under a rock because I had never smelled this, and it's been out since 2004. This smells like the fall season. Loved it. If you see it, smell it, try it, you might love it as well. It smells like fall. Then I was looking at the kitsch section. They have a new Harry Potter collaboration. They didn't have it in the store, but I'm just letting you know it exists, and I am maybe looking for it. We'll see. Anyways, I actually ended up getting some hair care stuff that I'll show you in a second. I liked all of their clips and their hair scrunchies and silk pillowcases and all of that, so I was having a good browse around this kitsch section because I needed some new hair accessories, some new hair tools, if you will, to take home with me. On my way out, I saw this gift set right here, which caught my attention because, again, it's Ulta copying Sephora. Sephora has done these forever, but this is actually really good. You get a bunch of skincare in there. It's a $24 price and a like $96 value. Quite amazing in my opinion, so this might actually be worth it. And then the most bizarre thing, you guys, what is this mini brands thing? It has a bunch of like tiny little makeup, but like everything is plastic, nothing actually is makeup in there. It's just like some kind of display thing. When I tell you it is the tiniest little components ever, who is buying this, and also why? It comes in these balls. It's like $9.99 and you get a collection of tiny makeup in there. It was bizarre to say the least, and they have a sign that you can only take 5. Like they have to put a limit to it because people I guess are buying it so much. So weird. One last stroll through the front of the store. They have some Peach and Lily gift sets. They have the Hourglass palettes up there. This is the first time I actually see them in store. And then there was some Fenty, and they have these like lip combos which looked really nice. And once I left the store, I realized I forgot to check the Tarte section, and I wanted to look at the Tarte holiday products, but I didn't go back. Back in the car, and I actually bought a few things at Ulta, so let's do an impromptu car haul. I got things only from kitsch, which is very random, but I was very curious and I had a gift card. I got one of these because I love to have my hair up in a bun, and I need to learn how to use it, but this seems very promising. Plus, I used to always like to just put my hair up with like a makeup brush or a chopstick. So I feel like this is going to secure my hair really well. We'll see. I got this kitsch hair wax stick for flyaway taming, mainly to try it out, but also mainly for Evelyn because her hair is out of control and I need to find something to like calm it down besides the bows. She looks great with bows, but maybe with this I can actually get her hair to stay down. We'll see. I didn't want to get a gel because that seemed like harder to wash off, and she's very little, so we'll see. Maybe I won't even use it on her. I'll try it on me first and then decide. Then I also got these pins right here, which are supposed to secure your bun in place, and they're like twisty pins. Very curious about those, so I got them. And lastly, I figured when I'm filming videos, sometimes I have my hair down and want to get it out of my face, and I always end up putting it up in a bun, but I feel like this is a better option. So I got these hair bands as well. That is everything I got at Ulta. Very random hair care stuff. I also asked about the kitsch and Harry Potter collaboration collection. Everyone keeps sending me the links or the videos because they are promoting it on Instagram like crazy. And I've had like 10 people, 5 of them friends and family members, send me the kitsch and Harry Potter collaboration collection with like the pillowcases and the clips and all of that. And here is why I haven't bought anything. I did ask to see it in person, but I haven't bought it yet because I am a Ravenclaw, and the house of Ravenclaw is represented animal-wise by an eagle, not a raven, even though it's called Ravenclaw. Anyways, so when kitsch did their collaboration with Harry Potter and they just released like the pillowcases and all the fun stuff, they put a raven on the pillowcase and everything else, so they have the wrong animal, and so therefore I can't, this is very nerdy, but I can't buy it because They did my house so wrong. Anyways, it's time for me to go home. I miss little Evelyn. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that you enjoyed it coming out and shopping with me today. And I didn't see a lot of fun stuff in store today. Online, the selection is incredible. So soon I think I'll have to make a video with all of my favorite holiday sets from Ulta and from Sephora and whatnot. So definitely keep an eye out for that, because I think I gotta make that happen. And that is it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. I love you all so much. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you back in the next one. Bye.